asked by the media to make a short statement by the family of the late Kaya who passed away yesterday. There's a sister and her uncle. They've prepared a short statement. It's in English, and it will be read by an interpreter from Turkish to English. She will read it out in English.
Efendim başınız sağ olsun öncelikle. Hepimiz çok üzgünüz, çok öfkeliyiz. İçeride neler olduğunu öğrenmek istiyoruz.
Can we just make this statement first?
I'm the uncle of Pelin. I'm speaking on behalf of the family because Pelin's sister is devastated and her parents do not have the strength to come here. I'm speaking after we've been in the same court hall with the person accused of killing our Pelin. We are deeply hurt and we are angry for what happened. As a part of us has died with Pelin. Pelin was a wonderful, intelligent person. She had dreams and ambitions and she had decided to pursue them in Malta. Her wonderful future has been taken away from her because of the atrocious events that happened on Pelin's birthday. We cannot understand what triggered a person to commit these atrocities. We do not want revenge, but we want justice, and we will fight so that the justice is served at Pelin's behalf. We thank the Maltese population for being close to us and for condemning what happened. We thank the Maltese police force for their prompt action, which led to the accused being arraigned in court the day after. We also would like to thank Turkish Embassy for their extraordinary support. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.